Recently, I had made a video showcasing how you can use Claude Code completely for free, an agentic AI tool that I personally believe is the best that's out there that lives directly within your terminal. The idea was simple. You route Olama directly with Anthropic's API compatibility layer, and suddenly you can now run open source models locally inside Claude Code completely for free. But there's a catch. Running models locally sounds great in theory, but in reality, most of us are working with consumer grade hardware. That means we can barely run larger models. Inference speeds are painfully slow, and you're paying the price in hardware costs and energy consumption. So, this may seem like it's free, but in practicality, it is not for everyone. That's exactly why I'm back with a better option. Instead of running everything locally, you can now use Claude Code for free, but powered by the cloud using OpenRouter. What OpenRouter does is act as a reliability and management layer between Claude Code and the model providers. So instead of being locked into one setup, you get flexibility, scalability, and better performance. And here is where things get interesting. Within OpenRouter, if you are to search up free, you're going to be able to see that there's 39 completely free models that you can use. No hardware, no setup headaches. Personally, I would recommend to use the Nemotron 3 Super, which is something that you can use completely for free. And it's insanely capable for a free model. But the bigger picture is that you're not just restricted from using just Anthropic models within Claude Code. You have the ability to use all of these incredible models directly from OpenRouter with Claude Code, giving you a lot more flexibility depending on what task that you want to give to a model. Before we get started, allow me to introduce today's video sponsor and a longtime supporter of the channel, Scribba. It's the only coding platform I've found where the video and code editor are combined into one. That means with Scribba, you can hit pause anytime, edit, and run the code right inside the lesson, like a real pair programmer beside the teacher. Around 30% of their courses are free, and if you're a web dev who wants to include AI into your apps, Scribba's AI engineer path takes you from the basics to building real AI-powered apps, from chat assistants to recommendation engines and computer vision tools. And if you're brand new to coding, I highly recommend to start with their full stack developer path, a 100-hour complete journey through JavaScript, React, Node, databases, and even AI too. Build actual projects from what you learn. Scribba isn't just another video course platform. It's an interactive hands-on learning platform that gets you building today, not someday. Learn to code with Scribba from full stack to AI. Start now for free and get 20% off their pro plans with my link. Visit the link in the description below to claim your pro plan. And the results are honestly kind of crazy because right now I'm running the Nemotron 3 Super through OpenRouter inside Claude Code. And I used it to build this landing page, a clean modern UI, fully generated using a free open source model running in the cloud. That's a huge shift because now you don't need expensive hardware to create things like this. Just take a look at the quality. You're able to see that there's no slow inference when you're running these models. You get powerful outputs, and it is something that will unlock a lot of possibilities because you're not just getting responses, you're getting fully agentic capabilities. That means scheduled prompts, like you would regularly use Anthropic models within Claude Code to do, sub agents running tasks in parallel, built in web search, file discovery, code based exploration, research workflows, all powered by free models. So essentially, you're getting a full agentic development for free. To get started, you're obviously going to need to have Claude Code installed onto your computer, and you can natively install it using the following commands, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. Once you have Claude Code installed, what you'll need to do is make sure you have an OpenRouter account. Then click the link in the description below to this docs, which has all the commands to set up OpenRouter with Claude Code. We have finished step one where we installed Claude Code, but now what you want to do is open up your terminal, and this is where we're going to add the environment variables to connect OpenRouter to Claude Code. What we want to do is open up our terminal, and you want to copy and paste this command into it. This is essentially to edit your shell profile using Nano. So if you are a bash user, you can use this command by simply just pasting this in. On Windows, you don't need to use the bash command. Instead, you set your environment variables directly in PowerShell or your command prompt. You just need to simply paste in these four different specifications for the system environment and then specify the OpenRouter API key. I'll make sure to leave those commands in the description below for Windows users. In my case, I have a Windows operating system, but I'm using WSL, so I am using Bash in that case. And that is where I simply use these four commands within their docs. And I simply had inputted my API key that I got from OpenRouter. To get this, you just need to head over to settings. Then you can just simply go over to API keys, and then you can create one completely for free. You can give it a name. I named it Claude Code. Afterwards, I had simply pasted it in that same section, the first section over here. And then I had set the base URL to openrouter.ai/API. Just leave it as this. And then for the last line where it states Anthropic API key, this is very important. You need to explicitly set the Anthropic API key to be empty. Otherwise, it can conflict, which is why for the Windows users as well, make sure you leave this blank. And guys, if you find it easier to just set an env, you can also do that as well. This is for macOS as well as Windows and Linux users. You can just set up an environment variable file where you can obviously do exactly what I showcased. And then what you can also do is set your configuration for the model that you want to use. And that is the next step. Within either if it's nano or within an env file, what you got to do is now set your configurable model. And what I would recommend you do is first head over to OpenRouter, select whatever model you want to use. You can explore through their catalogs of models. Like I stated, if it's a free model you want to use, you can search up free and you have the ability to use any of these. And say if it's the Nemotron 3, which is something that I would recommend, you can copy the model card, which is important that you need to do. Copy the model card, and then you can simply paste it into your env file for the default Sonnet model, Opus model, or Haiku model. And then afterwards, you can do the exact same thing within Nano as well. So this is where you can configure it within these two different options. And guys, there's actually a free model router, which is something that will let you use the free inference and router platform that OpenRouter provides to use the best models at different steps. Also, from what I've heard, you must have $10 of credits in the backend so that you can use the free models with 1,000 requests per day. Otherwise, you will get only 50 requests per day. So if you're looking for more usage, you will need to have more credits in the backend, even though you're using a free model. Now that we have set our model as well as all the configurations, we can then go ahead and restart our terminal and open up a new Claude instance. Now you should be able to see the model that you have set. So in this case, I'm using the Nemotron 3 Super, and I have the ability to use it completely for free. But to verify everything is running, you can click on /status and you should be able to see that it is using this model right now, and the OpenRouter API is the Anthropic base URL. And now what we can actually do is start using it directly within our Claude Code instance. So we can say, create me a SaaS landing page. For example, it is then going to route this request to OpenRouter, and it might be slow, but it is something that will be executed completely for free. But the fact that we have the ability to now do all of the features that Claude Code provides completely for free is remarkable. This is essentially how you can use OpenRouter with Claude Code as a free development workflow. And just like that, within Claude Code, I was able to use the Nemotron model completely for free and create this beautiful SaaS landing page. This is just incredible that I'm able to use Claude Code completely for free as I'm routing models directly from OpenRouter to do almost anything. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. That's about it, guys, for today's video on using this free workflow. I'll leave all the links that I use in today's video in the description below, as well as the Windows setup process. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and join the newsletter, join our second channel, subscribe to the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.